Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to tint the back window of this Peugeot. So put some liquid, rub it in. I'm gonna let it dry. Right, we're gonna measure it. 20 by 40. 120 by 40. Roughly here. Give a little bit more. Now let's apply it. Right, so we're gonna make a line, just a wet line on the edges to make a H pattern. So we're gonna grab ourselves film, chuck the liner, like twisting between your teeth. Take the film, and there you go, we can apply it. So now we're gonna make a H pattern as like this. We need to cut around the wiper, just like this. The top edge as well needs to be cut off. You can lower the wiper for a minute so it doesn't smash on you. We're gonna cut off these edges as well, so we can make ourselves a H pattern. Same as in this side. There you go. We can start shrinking the film. So we're gonna grab a heat gun, blast it on full power, and we're gonna start shrinking. So how do you shrink? You kind of shake the heat gun like this and tag it down so it wrinkles up, and then you can push it down. Of course, if you push it too much, you're gonna crease the film, so you need to be careful, as you can see. Overheat, shrink, push it down. It looks super simple. I know it's not that simple when you're doing it first time, but after a roll of film, you will know how to do it. Or few rolls of film. There you go, we have shrank the back window. Now we're gonna cut it to shape. So I'm gonna put a light inside, we're gonna cut it to shape and apply from inside. We do not put films from outside. Stop writing these comments. Right, let's do it. So we're finishing off to cut this off. Right, so now just take off the extra film. Be careful by pulling off. Happened to me before that you're pulling and you see this tear, you didn't cut it as much as needed. So there you go, we have the film. Now we're gonna apply it from inside. So we're gonna prepare the window from inside. Let's do that. So we're gonna spray some water on the board. This is cheap, guys, this is just curry board, you know, and it's white, so it's good to see. So yeah, just leave it there hanging while we prepare to apply this film from inside. To clean the window, you don't need much. You need just one towel, a little scrub pad, you know, some paper towel, plastic razor blade if you have one, squeegee. That's it. So maybe if you have a sticker that you need to remove some alcohol, basically, but other than that, nothing much you need. So we're just gonna scrub it. There you go. Go over with a plastic razor blade all the defroster lines, because they are the ones that give you that peanut type of bubble sometimes. So with the plastic one you can get rid of those oxidations. or you can use a rougher screw pad to polish those. So anyway, right, now we have it kind of prepped. I'm gonna spray it down. It's very deep shelf here, so boom, wipe it down, wipe it. Now I always go over all the plastics. It's just to go over, it's best, because you might touch something, and you will, because there's these things, they all can, or you can remove the whole plastics if you wanted to, but it's a waste of time. Just wipe clean, try not to touch the window itself. That's it, guys. That's the preparation of this tiny little glass. So now let's spray it, and let's bring the film over. Right, so we have the film, so we're gonna peel off the liner. Right, so we got the liner off. Let's spray down. Don't spray here, spray on the film, because you will get stuff falling into your film. Sorry for the background noise, guys. I'm gonna walk backwards. Right, now we're gonna try to get one side in, and as you can see, you're touching this bubble that I cleaned. Now need to allow some space for this top panel. Right, be careful when applying, no rush. Like, it's best to apply it as fast as possible, but if you're gonna rush, you're gonna crease it, then you have to redo it. Right, I cannot see through these glasses how far I'm in. They dim in the light. Right, I think no white gaps here, no white gaps anywhere. Now we're gonna squeegee out the water, and it's gonna be perfectly tinted back window. I just wanna double check everything. I don't want any water dripping on my head. So, just to check if there's no white gaps. It's very important. Right, perfect. Now, we're just gonna squeegee out the water. Oh, just like that. You might need to go over sometimes with a heat gun on the edges, but most of the time you don't. I was rushing to shrink the film because my glasses are battery dying, and so I was a bit rushing, so I might need to use a bit of heat gun from inside, but from what I see, I don't think I will. Now we're gonna grab this soft red squeegee with some paper towels and get the rest of the water out from under the film. Just like this. Oh, it's not the comfiest way of doing it, or managing. Right, there you go. Perfect. I'm gonna show you now how it looks from outside, guys. So here we have it, perfectly tinted back window, and this is the certificate for Spanish technical vehicle check. And so, guys, that's how you tint the back window. Look at this, perfect. No bubbles, no nothing. Looks just perfect.